Happy morning, everybody. Welcome to Morning Rituals. Welcome to Superb Stories Time, a time where you listen to wonderful, beautiful stories. We derive life skills, life lessons, and life values from them. Let's get started. Yes, this is a story. I am reading it also because I wanted to get the important points very clearly. Okay, this person he was making the steam engine. He's the inventor of steam engine. Okay, his initial attempts were all he was very unsuccessful. He struggled a lot to find a design which will actually be more practical and more efficient. And then what exactly happened is his experiments ended up as a failure. He experimented with various materials, different designs, but none of them actually seemed to have worked. And whatever he hoped, it could not happen. This person, who is this guy who is the inventor of steam engine? Come on, quickly. Anybody? He still use one of his very important, his surname as one of the things in power. When we say power or power, many people say power. We use that his surname as a unit of measurement. Who is this guy? Come on, steam engine.
Coach Coulomb?
Steam engine. It lasted for many, many years. His pursuit to basically make a practical and efficient steam engine lasted for many years. He spent countless hours in his workshop, in his laboratory, and to find a solution he was facing. His his determination were remarkable. He refused to give up when things seemed impossible. That also still he continued. Yeah. Then finally he found a way. He created something called as a condenser. Anybody knows what's a condenser? Come on. You will know what's a condenser. Tarun, science. What's a condenser? He finally figured out that he should have a separate condenser. What is condenser? What does a condenser do?
Sir, it is a main, sorry, G. G, it is a main part in electrical appliances.
Ah, okay, very nice. That's electrical.
And other than that, I don't know. Sorry, IDK.
Yeah, so that's the electrical condenser, also called as a capacitor. Think from very simple. What is condenser? In a steam engine, it does some.
Sorry, what is that? I didn't get properly.
In a steam engine,
Okay, okay.
what's a condenser? What is the work of a condenser?
Coach, it converts condensation basically means converting steam water vapor to like liquid water. So does that mean that it converts steam to water?
Correct, yes. So condenser is a part where the steam gets condensed to water. It's a cycle that keeps happening. Correct, isn't it? So this is called condenser, which will do condensation. So what exactly when this particular person finally made a separate condenser and then he had a breakthrough. It went on for many, many. The separate condenser allowed the steam engine to be more efficient and operate at high power, making it more practical for the steam engine. Despite challenges, he persisted and finally he made the steam engine. Yes. Okay. Now, people asked him, how did you actually, so many years of struggle and all that he eventually paid off? He struggled for many, many years, many, many failures. First of all, who is the person I'm talking about? Who is this person who invented the steam engine? His surname is Watt. Watt. W-A-T-T. We use it as a power of symbol, this thing. No, we use it as a unit of power. So what's his first name? What's his first name? Yukta is Googling. Come on, everybody Google quickly. His surname was What? Who is he?
Coach James Watt.
Yeah, James Watt. James Watt. James Watt was the person who is the inventor of the steam engine, failed many, many times. Finally, his biggest breakthrough happened. His design and all other things was very good. It was, however, not very efficient. Finally, the moment he made a separate condensation unit, attached to the whole system, then he realized, wow, it is efficient. It can go for many, many kilometers, many, many miles, hundreds of miles it can travel. And then it became a very, very big source of transporting people, materials, anything and everything from different parts of the world. Now, are you ready? What inspired him? Now, my question is, what inspired him? Missing today Rohan, no? Rohan and Nakshatra, we're missing both of these guys. Yeah. What inspired him? What do you think are the reasons for this person to inspire him? What do you think people can get inspired with? Come on, this is up to you guys to figure it out. Come on, what inspired? Now you can no more of googling. Come on, you guys think. Come on, come up with the answer. It could be any inspiration. What was his inspiration? He said something very valuable when he was asked. Take a guess. Nothing is wrong. Tarun, what inspired James Watt to actually build the steam engine? And so many failures. This guy failed, 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 failed. Finally, he made it. What? But
Never give up.
never give up was his inspiration. Very nice.
Coach
Shashika,
is consistency, coach.
huh?
Consistency.
To be
Consistency, coach.
consistency. Very nice.
Coach,
Yes.
keep it up,
Keep.
keep it up.
Coach.
Coach, keep it up.
Can you
Keep it up, coach. Keep it up. Keep it up.
keep it up? Very nice. Keep it up. Very.
Coach.
Yes, Elish.
If I can't, then I must.
If I can't, then I must. Very nice. What was that thing that kept James Watt inspired to have this breakthrough? He was asked and he said,
Goal. His goal.
sorry,
His goal.
his goal,
Coach. BALLL.
be a lifelong learner. She, what do you think? Come on, all answers are answers. Yes. Dhrutik coach, what do you think is the reason that he continued? He was asked. He said so much of difficulties, so much of hardship, so many years of work you put in. What is the reason?
If I can't, then I must coach. He was pushing himself to get
Very
something which
coach. If I can't, then I must. Love the answer. I'll give you guys one clue. Yukta, ready? The clue is he was not thinking about him. It was not about him at all. He said it was not about him. Come on now think.
Coach, maybe he had a family. I mean, he had a family member who was sick and he wanted to go to the city, but he had no way of transport and it would take him too late to walk or take other modes of transport. So maybe he wanted to create something that was very, sustainable. It was not sustainable, but it was very fast for people.
Very nice, beautiful. Thank you so much, Yukta, for being so creative. One more thing I would like to add, it was not about him. It was not about somebody whom he knows. It was not about him. It was not about somebody he knows. The purpose was very, very big. It was not connected to him at all.
Coach, you want to impact people life.
Serving mankind.
Impact people.
Impact people. Very nice. Wonderful. Thank you.
Serving mankind. Serving mankind.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Tarun. Thank you, Sashikalaji. So this is what he says. He says, it was not worthwhile to manufacture, to invent the steam engine, but I found it very worthwhile to make it for the whole world. Yukta, Dhrutik, listen to this, huh? This is the thought process, huh? It was not worthwhile for me to make steam engine for myself, but I found it very worthwhile to make it for the whole world. That's what James Watt said. He didn't make it for himself, Yukta. He didn't make it for his any sick or some person or something like that. He wanted it for the entire world to be a better place. To make an impact, to make the entire mankind. See the purpose. Correct, Dhrutik?
Yes, coach. Like CDO,
Yeah, very much.
being customer oriented, or
Yeah,
from customer point of view, we have to. So in this story, he wants to contribute and give an impact to the whole world, to all the people who has to travel in steam engine. Yes, coach.
true. He wanted locomotion to be a very different way and all that again. He changed after that. That from steam engine came diesel engines, now today electric engines, electric was diesel. And you see how big the trains are, isn't it? Literally, there must be millions
Coach,
of.
steam engines are still being used, coach.
Sorry?
Steam engines are still being used over there.
Yeah. In fact, in India, there is one place I think it runs. I think it runs in Ooty or it runs in
Yes, yes,
place.
coach.
I
Still, it's yeah.
still
Still
it's.
it is.
So how steam engine works is they will have water, good amount of water. They will put the coal or they'll put coal. Earlier they used to put sticks. They'll put coal. Coal will burn, and the water will keep pushing the pistons up and down. When there is too much of steam, what happens is through the spout, upper, they will. Pss. Have you seen steam engine? Pong, and this thing. They'll let out the extra steam because it should not burst, right? It keeps heating. So, and the water and the steam, the water keeps becoming steam, and the steam is very powerful, right? Have you seen steam cooks food inside a cooker, right? Extra steam, what happens? Goes out through whistle. Psst. So that is the mechanism that it uses. The steam pushes the pistons up and down. Taka, 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 it keeps moving. Does it's a wonderful. You should go to any railway museum to see how his invention changed the world. Sudhanshi coach, Dhiti coach, all of you, all the leaders, Tarun, yes, we all live life for ourselves, our small, petty lives, and we think that's all life is. I, me, myself. That's it. Correct? Maximum about our family. Correct? Sudhanshi? All of us only worried about I, me, myself, our family. But thing is, the day coaches, the day trainers, the day champions, leaders, the day you start thinking about the whole world, you start thinking about humanity. Humanity should be better after you've left the place. Then it will be really, really worthwhile. See, the world will move on, no doubt. Tarun, the world will move on without me also, without you also. Correct, isn't it, Rick? Isn't it? Shashikalaji, correct, Dhrutik? The world will move on. सुधांशी जिंदगी तो चलती रहेगी दुनिया आपके बाद भी है आपके पहले भी थी अभी भी
You
but
sorry.
if you have if you have done something worthwhile the world will have changed a little bit better because of you then means you have lived a life of purpose. Yeah, life is not about I me myself. Life is all about how you can impact the world, impact the humanity, impact the mankind. See, the world will move on. I hope this hits you, this strikes you, and that's what inspires me, inspires superhumans. That's the reason why Dhrutik, Sudhanshi, we read our mission vision every day. हम daily पढ़ते हैं. We see we want to impact, isn't it? World should be a better day. World should be a better place just because of us, even a little bit. Then you have actually lived life. This is what he said once again. It was not worth my time and effort. It was not worth manufacturing the steam engine for myself. He didn't do that. It was very worthwhile to make it for the whole world. Amazing, right? That's the reason why the power is there. No, they say watts. Have you heard watts? WT, how many watts this is? Is that
Yes, please.
a hair dryer or a steel, anything which uses heat? They have this name called watt, and that's how his legacy continues to live on. Yeah, wonderful. Everybody, everybody, quickly sit in Vajrasana. We are missing Yukta. I'm not sure what happened to her. Her phone must have got turned off. She'll join us shortly. Everybody, please sit in Vajrasana. Shri, are you sitting in Vajrasana? Very nice. Sailesh, you've disappeared again. Yeah. He's there behind the other screen holding his nose and he's walking around. What happened? Okay, everybody, please. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Keep your eyes closed. Just focus on your breathing. Sailesh, eyes closed. Yukta, cameras on quickly. Yes, I know, Yukta. Now you can turn on the camera of laptop. Yes. It is on. No, Yukta, we can't see you. Let's begin with alternate nasal breathing. Left in, right out, right in, left out. 20 sets. Yukta, we can't see you. Left in, right in, left out. Twenty of them. Let's begin with B breathing. Everybody, 6 of them. Six of them. Yukta, please unmute. Let's begin with energizer. We'll start with slow. We'll go to high speed, high intensity, high energy. Keep your eyes closed. Continue to keep your eyes closed. Start with energizer, Yukta.
Lock your arms, let's start with our gratitude. Thank you, Sal, for being such an amazing person, always so kind, always so caring. Thank you, Sal, for being focused on your goals, for being focused on yourself. Thank you, Sal, for doing everything properly, for being kind, for being caring, for being compassionate. Thank you, Self, for being goal oriented. Thank you, Self, for always being a people leader, a serving leader. Thank you, Self, for being moving towards your goals every single day, for taking a step toward your goal every single day. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you to Bliss of Support, your mom and your dad, for always being there for you. They've given you everything you need, whether it's food to eat, a shelter to live in, or clothes to wear. They've given you love and care throughout your life. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, gurus, your teachers, your coaches. Thank them for supporting you, for being there for you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank the God, the Almighty, for giving a soul the purpose, a soul the why, a soul with a mission and vision. Thank the God, the Almighty, for giving everything in abundance, whether it's life, health, wealth, education, money, everything. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Visualize a bright white light coming right towards you. This bright white light goes through your head, goes down your face, your neck, your chest, your hands, your fingers, your fingertips, goes down your stomach, your thighs, your knees, your calves, and your toes. Head to toe, toe to head, fully blessed with bright white light. Visualize now and right in mind, visualize our goals, our purpose, our mission and vision. Visualize your long-term goals, short-term goals, your goals for today, goals for tomorrow. Start. Let go of your hands, hands in your heart. Repeat after me. I'm amazing.
I'm amazing.
I'm powerful.
I'm powerful.
I'm kind.
I'm kind.
I'm compassionate.
I'm compassionate.
I move towards my goals every single day.
I move towards my goal every single day.
I think about everyone else too.
I think of everyone else too.
I think about my family.
I think about my family.
I think about the world.
I think about the world.
I think about serving the world.
I serve the world. My world is
serve
my
the world.
family. My world is my family.
The world is my family.
The world is my family.
The world is my family.
I'm a superb human.
I am a superb human.
I impact people.
I impact people.
I impact people in any way and every way.
I impact people in any way and every way.
I make people powerful.
I make people powerful.
I create superb humans.
I create superb humans.
I'm lovable.
I'm lovable.
I'm capable.
I'm capable.
I'm consistent.
I'm consistent.
I'm disciplined.
I'm disciplined.
I'm energetic.
I'm energetic.
I'm born to win.
I'm born to win.
Born to lead.
I'm about to leave.
I'm lovable.
I'm lovable.
I'm capable.
I'm capable.
I'm valuable.
I'm valuable.
I am a superb human.
I am a superb human. Raindrop
Raindrop.
claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoosh. First one. Second one. Last one. Open eyes, it's world's right place.
Everybody live purposefully, live powerfully. Dhrutik, you have a session, right?
Yes,
That-
coach. Yes,
that-
coach.
Yes.
With Rutvik, coach. Yes.
Yeah, Tarun, 11 o'clock, Tarun.
Okay.
ரொம்ப நாள் ஆச்சு உங்களை பார்த்து. ஆதார் கார்டு கொண்டு வாங்க, ஒரு ஐடென்டிஃபிகேஷன் பண்ணிக்கலாம். கரெக்ட்? பாஸ்போர்ட் வச்சிருக்கீங்களா?
Level.
But some proof கொண்டு வாங்க. We need to identify. Okay, here we are seeing you in a very passport size. So maybe passport size photo identification இருக்கணும்.
Okay.
See, Shailesh, both of you guys, please be there at what time?
Before 11.
Yeah. Shailesh, you ensure you finish all your sleep and you come as a LLL. Okay.
Okay, coach.
Manikam, you're also coming, right? Manikam?
Yes, coach.
Oh, I love you, dear. Today I'm also coming, Manikam.
Yes, coach.
Wonderful. If you give your 100% participation today, we've got Dhrutik. I will get this thing 1 second. Huh? Just a second. Manikam. Manikam, are you ready for this?
Coach. Yes, coach.
Veduma Ilya.
Coach. Veno.
Very nice. You're doing your hypnosis every day.
Yes, coach.
Very nice. Very proud of you, dear. So please, I'll see you all at 11 at the center. Dhrutik, online, huh?
Yes, coach.
Can you call me up immediately right now, please?
Yes, coach.
Bye, champions. Bye, leaders. Yukta, love you, sweetheart.
Thank you, coach. Love you too, coach.
Keep the phone on, no? Okay, in this,
Yeah.
see, beauty is completely there, but in the phone, you look very beautiful. Bye, darling.
Bye, coach.
You have a tennis match today, no?
No, I have tennis training.
Training, huh?
Coach, when can I call you? Like before 8 o'clock?
You give me a call, no? You give me a call at 7 o'clock.
7. Okay.
Bye, sweetheart. Take care.
Bye, coach.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills which help them become number one in studies and number one in life. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment. It'll help us, it'll inspire us to make more good content like this. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Also do visit our website. Thank you so much.